how can we connect to artificial intelligence, AI, without the internet, and have it possibly answer any question we might have, all without needing an internet connection. To do this on Android, as shown in this video, you just need to download this application from the Google Play Store. Once you have successfully downloaded the app onto your device, go ahead and open it up. Chai. Now, before you get started, there are a few important things that you will need to keep in mind first. If you just want to chat with it, you click right here on this section. You'll need to have the specific models you want downloaded from GitHub. Tap on the download section and choose whichever model you prefer after reviewing them yourself. Once that model is downloaded, you won't need internet access anymore, and the details are listed right here. It shows the file size right here, as well as the amount of RAM that is required. For example, in this case, it needs 2 GB of RAM, so your phone must have at least that much available space. After confirming that you have enough space and memory, you can then download the model. By downloading these models onto your device, you will no longer need internet access at all, and you will be able to use AI entirely offline.